Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's try to swap two numbers using a third variable. Let's comment the code, two numbers. Let's create a main method. First, let's create a class using class keyword, class swap two numbers. Let's save it as swap two numbers dot java. Let's create a main method, public static void main string args. If you don't understand why we wrote public static void main, go and watch my previous videos. I have explained that clearly. So in this example, let's read two values from the user and let's try to swap them using a third variable. To read input from the user, we have to create a scanner object. To create that, scanner sc new scanner system dot in. We have not imported the scanner class. To import that, we have to use import keyword. We know that scanner is available in java dot util dot scanner. You can write that, or java dot util dot star to import everything, or else you can write it in another way using java dot ut dot this thing. So let's try to do it in the standard way. Import java dot util dot star. To read input from the user, let's ask for the input. Let's consider the values as a and b. Enter the value of a. Let's read it. Let's declare value. Let's declare a variable a. Int a is equal to sc dot next int. Let's ask for the value of b. Enter the value of b. Let's read b. Int b is equal to c dot next int. Let's print the values of a and b. Dot println before swapping a comma b. Let's declare a third variable as c. Int c. First, let's store the value of a inside c. Then let's store the value of b inside a. Here we are doing the swapping of a. So here we are replacing the value of a with b, but previously we have stored the value of a inside c. So let's swap for b. B is equal to the value of a, which is stored in c. That's it. Let's print the values. System.out.println after swapping comma b. Close the scanner. Let's save it. Click on Ctrl S. Let's open CMD and compile our code. Click on Windows R. So if you want to open CMD at your desired folder, there is another way. Let me show you. Open your file explorer and go to the folder where you want to open CMD and click on CMD. Here you can see that CMD has been opened at your desired location. To clear the CMD screen, click on CLS. So let's try to compile our Java code. Javac file name swap two numbers dot Java. There is no error. Let's try to run it. Java swap two numbers. The value of a, let's enter 10. The value of b, let's enter 20. So before swapping, the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. After swapping, the value of b is 20 and the value of a is 10. So we have successfully swapped the two numbers. That's it for the video. If you like my content, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.